Withdrawing money from Binance to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Access your Binance account by entering your credentials. Make sure you are using the official Binance website or active phishing scams. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, locate the wallet option on the main menu. Click on it to view your available balances and transaction options. Step 3. Select Withdraw. In the wallet section, find and click on the Withdraw option. This will allow you to choose the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you want to withdraw. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. Select your preferred withdrawal method, such as bank transfer or other payment options. If you are withdrawing fiat, you may need to enter your bank account details. Step 5. Confirm and complete the withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to arrive, as processing times may vary.